Welcome back to our channel, everybody. In this video, we are working through a Contra Check, a natural slip pivot, a Rudolph Fallaway Ronde into a toe pivot action. We are commencing in closed position for the Contra Check and slip pivot, moving through into a Fallaway position in the Rudolph Ronde, and then back into closed position during the toe pivot. The timing is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you stick around for the whole video because we have slow motion videos where you can see in greater detail at the end of the video. And we're now into the slow motion videos. It's very important when dancing the Rudolph Fallaway that we, as the man, try not to overlead the lady into the Fallaway position. And what I mean by that is that we don't want to use our arms to lead the ronde or the changing of position, but a rotation of the upper body, as you can see right here. And for the ladies, it is equally important not to over-rotate the upper body, as we want to keep the upper body facing the man. And it is the head turn to the right and the opening of the hips that allow for a beautiful ronde action. And one last time.